Thrive Mobile App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong about mortgage payments, but the Thrive app is changing how homeowners think about debt in 2025. Thrive is a mobile app designed to help users pay off their mortgage faster without refinancing or switching lenders. Thrive works by analyzing your income and spending, then safely setting aside spare money to make small, frequent overpayments on your mortgage. These micro payments reduce interest over time, which can shave years off a loan. The app connects to your bank account using secure open banking technology. Once connected, Thrive automatically calculates how much you can afford to overpay without impacting your daily expenses. You won't believe what happens next when users realize how much interest they save, often tens of thousands over the life of a loan. The biggest pro is automation. Users don't need to manually calculate overpayments, and everything runs quietly in the background. The app interface is also clean and beginner-friendly. On the downside, Thrive currently focuses mainly on specific regions and banking systems, which may limit availability. There is also a monthly subscription fee, which some users may find frustrating, especially if they already overpay manually. Another thing to note is that savings depend heavily on consistent income. If your finances fluctuate, the benefits may be less predictable. In conclusion, Thrive is ideal for homeowners who want a hands-off way to reduce mortgage interest faster. If convenience and long-term savings matter more than manual control, Thrive can be a smart financial companion.